Hey everyone, Chris here at MarineMax in Pompano. Behind me is a brand new Sea Ray 31 SLX. Still to this day, one of the most beautiful boats you'll see on the water in my favorite color, this quantum blue hull side. Nice white frame in the hardtop, splash of white on the bottom of the hull, matched with a pair of twin 300 white Mercury Verados. Come on board and let's check out the rest of this. One thing Sea Ray does very well in the 31 is maximizing the usable storage space. So we do have a super wide lounger here on the aft end. Cool thing, they integrated a couple pop-up backrests. So both of these will be able to deploy into a nice aft-facing lounge. We drop those back down, and underneath is a full catch-all for all of your gear that day. So I love being able to come in here and show the amount that you can store extra fenders, dock lines, water toys, couple dividers there that are removable, but a great catch-all for all your gear. And then here on the aft end of the deck, a cool feature is this integrated swim platform. So this does fold up and comes flush with the deck, but one pull of a trigger allows that to sit down water level and allow someone to sit in the water and let their feet hang out. And just a really cool design. Full sea deck material all the way through the entire boat. A great feature to be able to knock some of the heat off of your feet and also give you a little bit more cushion as you are kind of working your way through the boat. I do have an insulated cooler here, so if I am at the beach and I just wanted to reach in and grab a drink, I don't need to come inside and jump into the refrigerator. And then this is also where my battery switch and freshwater sprayer are going to be. So you got a place to be able to rinse your feet off when you come in the boat. Two nice big steps down, gives me a nice sense of security as I'm inside the boat, but I just love the look and design in this 31. I love the diamond weave stitching, a nice cross stitch to give me a little bit of contrast in the color. This interior is called Stone. So this is the two-tone gray, very modern look, kind of keeps with the complement of the gray flooring. Nice accents there in the fridge cover. Tons of shade under the hardtop. Cool feature too is that this is actually a sunroof. So I can open this up if I had a really nice day, wanted a little bit more sun, but if it gets too hot, you can close that up nicely. Over here on the starboard side is going to be my summer kitchen. With the countertop down, it's a nice area to just do a little bit of a prep station, or if I had any kind of spread that I wanted to bring on the boat that day for snacks, great place to keep that here. I do have a sink right next to it, and then underneath is going to be my electric grill. So if I want to do a little barbecue on the boat that day, 31 does give you that option. Underneath is going to be my refrigerator, and then that is going to be concealed by a nice designer door on the front there. And then what I like is this companion seat, kind of an observer seat, that'll face my wraparound seating here in the main cockpit. Very intimate, very kind of exclusive feeling when we are just doing some entertaining on board that day. As we work our way forward, we'll take a look at the helm here. I love the fact that it's a double wide seat, so you and your spouse can sit next to each other comfortably. It does have a flip down bolster, and then access to all your controls here. I've got a nice footrest with a little traction pad there. Again, the non-skid sea deck material comes all the way here to the helm. Twin 12-inch displays, nice fusion stereo, all flush mounted up against the black acrylic. All of my switches here are backlit, so you can see what is active. Access to my trim tabs, my digital throttle, and of course my joystick for the outboards. Great feature there. What they did very well is that they complemented the helm chair with the observer seat. So it's the same size, same double wide. So I can have 1, 2, 3, 4 sitting right across here with the same flip up bolster. But this observer seat with one pull of the trigger there will actually allow me to spin this seat, and I can face my company if we were hanging out at anchor and I just wanted to be able to sit down and relax with all of my guests. 31 gives me a nice spacious head inside. It does have a vacuum flush toilet with a holding tank. Same sea deck material to keep from slipping when we go down inside. Also does have a sink and an opening window to allow some natural air to move through there if I'd like. Just above is going to be a lockable glove box, but I just love the fit and finish detail. As you can see, it's just a very well designed boat. I love the feel of the upholstery, very dense fabric. But certainly as we work our way forward is going to be our best seat in the house. Look at the amount of space that you have up here in a 31-foot day boat. Tons of room for all of my guests to be able to relax up here comfortably. Or if I just wanted to have more of a forward lounge, you can kick your legs out. You've got a grab handle here, additional cup holders, and additional speakers. So certainly one of the best seats in the house on this boat. Also does include a spotlight for navigating at night. And then here's going to be access to my ground tackle, my windlass anchor, and that'll be held up by a nice gas assist strut. Closes off nicely, keeps me nice and contained. Unbelievable day boat here in the 31 SLX. If you have any questions or wanted to set an appointment to come check this out, feel free to call or text me on my cell phone at 727-460-4175. Thank you.